morning, dear children. Now we are back to the topic Journey to Space and the Moon. As you all know that we were on the chapter 12 and we have discussed all the exercises, and I gave you a homework to write, fill in the blanks and match the following in the copy. I also asked you to read the question and answers and see whether you are able to find them or not. So let's see the question and answers. We'll discuss them in the class. Name the vast area around the earth. Now, the vast area around the earth is what? Do you know? Let's see. We have an answer over here on page 94. Now I know. The vast area around the earth is called the space. The vast area around the earth is called the space. Now let's see the next question. The next question is, who is an astronaut? Now this again we'll find this answer because these are small answers. We'll find them in the now I know. Point 3. Scientists who go into space are called astronauts. Then next, let's see what is the next question. Who first landed on the moon? Now, who first landed on the moon? We'll find it over here. We find it over here on this page. Neil Armstrong was the first man to land on the moon. Page 92. I hope you have already find these answers. I'll give you a PDF also, but you should also find the answers. Now next. Let's see the last answer. What is their question? What does an astronaut wear to travel into space? Now let's see what it wears. You all know that they wear a special suit. So you can see a special suit is required to be worn to travel to space. It is called the space suit. It is called the space suit. What it is called? Space suit. Now there is a point. I'll give you a question on this also. Total 12 people have landed on the moon from 1969 to 1972 who were on Apollo mission. So the last person till today, that is December 2011, was Gene Cernan. Now this is the answer for how many people have landed on the moon till date. It is a 12. What is the answer? 12. Now I'll give you the PDF. You'll write the answers, but along with that, there is a small work also for you. Can you see page 92? There is conceptual. You can see there are some, on this page, there are some conceptual questions. Conceptual questions means question based on the chapters, but not having direct answers. This is, you have to read the chapter and then find out the answers. So it is your homework to find these answers. You'll find these answers in the book and mark them in the book. Okay. These answers will be there for your knowledge, and I'll be providing you the answers for these questions along with the PDF. One more thing, one more question we'll be doing, that to write few lines about some astronauts like Yuri Gagarin, Rakesh Sharma, Sunita Williams, Kalpana Chawla, Neil Armstrong. Why? Because we have already read. There are plenty of one-line answers present for them, like Neil Armstrong was the first man who landed on moon. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian woman to go into space. Sunita Williams went to space in 2007 and stayed there for 6 months. Then Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian to go into space. Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian to travel to space. Okay, so like this you can read. And Yuri Gagarin, if you ask for Yuri Gagarin, who was Yuri Gagarin? Yuri Gagarin of Russia was the first man to go into space was Yuri Gagarin, and first Indian to go into space was Rakesh Sharma. So we'll be writing about these 4-5 peoples also. But you have to read the chapter. I can ask you questions from between the chapters also. Okay children, so see you in the next class. Take care and read the chapter, and also do the conceptual questions as your homework.